Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. Danny Aderobo here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you something very interesting. I just discovered something from one of the best banks in Nigeria. They are actually giving out free money. Wow, it's not amazing. Okay, so let me tell you, let me give you the full gist. And what you are going to learn in this video is going to amaze you. I'm going to show you how you can begin to make money using one of the best banks in Nigeria. They just introduced a digital platform just recently, though it has been for a while though, but just recently they make it able for you to begin to make money using that platform. You know, bank itself, you just have to transfer money, but in this platform you can be able to make cool cash. At least you can make up to 10,000 naira weekly on using this platform. Okay, let me just tell you what this is all about. So I also put my browser here, and the name of the bank actually is Wema Bank. Yes, Wema Bank. As you can see, so let me just open their website here, the Wema Bank website, and you should see this by yourself. So Wema Bank, what are they saying? So Alat is one of the products of Wema Bank. So Alat is the mobile platform of Wema Bank. Is the digital banking platform created and managed by Wema Bank. You grab that. So Alat is rewarding customers for referrals throughout 2021. So as you can see, at the beginning of this year, Alat launched its Earn on the Go campaign, allowing members of his tribe to not only earn money on the app, but also stand a chance to win one of the 3 grand prize at the end of the year. This is amazing. So let me just read on and see how things is being done. So for the duration of this campaign, all Alat users with an active account who have carried out at least 3 transactions in the last 6 months will be given a unique referral code. This code is used to track the numbers of referrals made from a single account, whereby a customer receives 1,000 naira for every successful invitation to join the Alat tribe. Okay, while referrals are ongoing, Wema Bank now says we will be tracking all our users' progress, and by December reward the top 3 referrals with prize worth over 700,000 naira. Oh, so the first place winner will receive the grand prize of 350,000 naira. The second will receive 200,000 naira, while the third is going to receive 150,000 naira. So this is amazing, very amazing. So let me show you something else. So there's, according to their platform here, website, they said by every successful referral you are going to earn 1,000. And this, I'm going to show you, this thing is very easy, extremely easy. So let us go to Alat itself, so the Alat website itself, and I'm going to show you how things can be done. So let me go to Alat now. So www.alat.ng, that is the Alat website. Remember that Alat is owned by Wema Bank. So Alat is the digital banking platform, just like an app that is available on both Android and iOS phones. So now you can see now reward for 2. So now how you get reward for 2 using this Alat platform is that 1, you have to join the family. Join the family is you have to download the Alat from Google Play Store or Apple Store. As I told you earlier, it's available on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. Then what you're going to do is to refer your friends. So you open the Alat app, you sign in, and you begin to refer friends. So immediately you refer friend, you begin to cash out. Okay. Now, this sounds funny, right? But I'll show you how things is being done. So for every friend you refer to join Alat, you get a referral code. And when they found the Alat account with 500 naira, you'll be given a gift of 500 naira, and that friend is going to have 200 naira worth of airtime or internet data. So what this means is that, so if I should refer you, for example, I'm going to get 500 naira and you're going to get 200 naira airtime. So I'm going to get 500 naira and you get 200 airtime. Immediately you fund your Alat wallet with just 500 naira. So 500 naira is just to show that you did not just come and just peep and go. For you to show that you're actually committed to the bank. So you don't have to fear whatsoever. So it's very beautiful, isn't it? So you get 200 naira airtime. Immediately you found your Alat account, at least your Wema Bank account, which you're going to create now very fast. Maybe you phone with 500 naira. That 500 naira is still yours. It will be on your account. You can withdraw it. You can use to buy data. You can use to do anything you want to do. It's not as if the 500 naira is not going to be yours. So definitely it's going to be yours. So it's a win-win thing. You have 500 naira. You also have 200 naira airtime or data, depending on their own part. So that is just beautiful. So let me show you how this is being done. So what the first thing I'm going to do is to come to your Google Play Store here. If you're using Android phone, so I'm actually using Android phone. So you come to your Google Play Store, just open your Play Store. Okay, it's Play Store. I don't know why they call it Play Store. They can call it just a store. Play like when you're playing. Okay, that's just on the lighter mood. So let's see. You just come up here and search for Alat. Okay, Alat by Wema. When you put Alat by Wema, automatically you've only put Alat to come out actually. So I just want to make it more official. You know, official thing is good. Okay, so Alat by Wema. So this is the application. Since this application has 17,000 reviews, it has over 1 million downloads. So you don't have to be afraid because this is owned by Wema first of all, and Wema is one of the best banking platform, one of the best banking institution in Nigeria. Okay, so you can see, and it's 3+ rate. 3+ rate means it's the same for all ages. So now let's go right into it. So all you have to do is just to download the application. It's not, I think it's normal, maybe 25 MB or there, but I can't actually see the MB because I've actually downloaded it. I would love to tell you that. Okay, so now just come here and install it. So but me, it's already installed my phone. I'm just going to open it. Okay, so when I open it now, it's going to just for us go to the application. You should have known that. So go straight to the application. Just wait for it for a few seconds. You know, just go to application. So your own you just install it. So you'll be brought to something like this. Beautiful like this. Okay, okay, there are so many things you can do with this application. So I'm going to create another video on how you can actually get a domiciliary account. So how you can create a dollar account using this platform. But for now, I'm going to focus on how you can actually make money using this platform. So all you have to do is just to come here and click on get started. Actually, I've already created an account, so I may not follow you to the ending of the creation of the account because I've already created one, and if I try to create it again, they won't allow me because I actually have one BVN. You know, everybody in Nigeria have one BVN. I have like it's not even possible. I have two, just one BVN. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just tell you to welcome. So what I'm going to get, you're going to get a saving account, a debit account, and a D or discount. So all you're going to need for the creation of your account is very simple. You need your BVN. As I told you earlier, it's a banking platform, so your BVN is safe. You are safe with them. So you grab. So we give you you give them your BVN, you snap yourself. So like you see everything being done, just like you snap your photo of yourself, a selfie, you blink your eyes like 2 times, and you get captured. Of course, it's going to be a more clear picture. Then you are going to sign on a sheet of paper and screenshot it. Everything is on the platform, very easy. So just click on, then let me click on proceed. Then just follow one simple step. So you put your email number, put your phone number, and go to click on proceed. So they may say that they are unable to verify your email number, but are you sure that this email number is complete? It's correct. Just place yes and go. Then the next place you're going to put in your BVN, you snap yourself and you snap your signature, and immediately you do that, you'll be taken to the next place where you can put your password and referral code. So ladies and gentlemen, this place is very important. For you, you should put a referral code, and my referral code, I'm going to put it on the screen. You see the referral code on the screen, and also in the description box below. Just put that referral code right in the referral code option. Don't leave it vacant. Yeah? So please don't leave it vacant. Okay, let me just beg you. Don't leave it vacant. In the letter mode, don't leave it vacant. Just put my referral code. So when you put my referral code and you found your wallet with 500 naira, at least if your account with 500 naira, that 500 naira will be in your account. It's not going to go to anywhere. To be your account, and you also get a 200 naira. Sometimes it's 250, but I don't know why they turn it 200 naira. Okay, let's say 200 naira to 250 airtime or data. Is that not beautiful? So you have more or less like 750 sitting right into your account, but you can actually use the 250 to just buy airtime or data. So you gap, but 500 naira is still going to be in your account. So this 500 naira is for them to be sure that you not just come and peep. So you're actually interested in the program. So and this your account, it is active. You can use to do anything. You can use to collect, send money, withdraw money. You can use to do anything. You can use to buy GoTV subscription. You can do everything your bank account usually do. And one other thing I want to tell you about this platform is that you can actually order for an ATM that will deliver it to your account within 2 or 3 working days. You don't need to go to bank. So this platform is a digital banking platform. This means that everything you have to do in bank, you can do it just with your smartphone. Is that not beautiful? And Wema Bank is the #1 platform that have actually introduced this wonderful initiative. Okay, initiative. All right, so let me just go. So make sure you just do that. Do what I told you to do. When you get to the place of password, put your password and put my referral code. You see my referral code on the screen. I'm also going to put it in the description box below and in the comment section. And ensure you do that. Okay, and you fund your account with just 500 naira. You get 250 airtime and 500 naira. You can use to do anything you want to do. You can withdraw it back. If you want to withdraw it back, you can leave it there. You can buy airtime with it. Just enjoy life with it. Okay, so let me not go back right into the platform. I'm just going to log in now and show you how the thing is going to be. So immediately you have done that, you'll be giving your account number. Your account number is going to be very similar like an ATM number. Just sit on like ATM number. So I'm just going to log into my own platform. I'll put my email, and it's authenticating mine just to confirm that it belongs to me. And one thing about it, that when you try to log in, you receive an email. So if somebody try to log in into your account without your permission, you receive an email. And when you get an email, you can actually change your password. So just to show that things are not really fine. Okay, I'm just going to press back here. Actually, my own account is not yet active. The reason why it's not active is because I actually create an account with them like 7 years or 8 years ago, and I've not been using it. So when I put my BVN, it automatically bring back the account. So I'll just do some things online and it will become active. Alright, so let me just show you how things is being done. So your own will be active. You will have your, as you can see, they send my email to me showing that somebody just log in. Okay, so you have your account, your balance. You can close the balance. Okay, I don't want you to see the balance that is in the account. Okay, let me just open it so you can see I have about 1,000 naira here. You have your account number. Then I'll tell you the type. You can fund it if you want to fund it and do other things. So what I'm going to do is for you now. Immediately you just put in. You have signed in now. You have already put in the referral code that you have seen on your screen or in the description box below on comment section when you are putting the referral code. Just fund your account. Fund it with 500 naira. It's very simple. To be able to fund it is either it's either you just copy this URL, then just go to other banks that you are using. Maybe you have another bank, just send somebody now to instantly it's going to reflect here. They will send you an email and you see everything reflected. So with that 500 naira, you can actually do anything you want to do it. And immediately you fund it with 500 naira, you also get 250 or I think it's 200 naira to 250 airtime or data. Is that not wonderful? So now that is just literally all you have to do. Now for you to be able to make money, all you have to do is just to come to your icon. You can see this icon where they put item and just come down here and click on this refer a friend. So you also get a referral code like here, like this now. So this is my own referral code. When you come here, you will see this referral code. So my referral code is HKNXPTAZ. So this referral code is probably what I'm going to share with your friends and family. Now, this is what I'm going to do. Let's assume you have friends. Of course, you should have friends. Okay, you should have friends and family outside there. Just tell them about this platform. Now, tell them that they should fund you with 500 naira. That 500 naira is for them. Just like you open an account, so it's for them. And with this account, they can do many beautiful things. Just tell your parents, everybody around you, share it to your friends and family. Let them just do it. And when they do it, you'll be making money while they'll be happy. Very simple like that. So you for every successful transaction or every successful opening of account, meaning that when they have fund the account with 500 naira, you will get 500 naira. And there is a place of if you are able to make up to like 5,000 naira in a month, they are going to give you extra 500 naira. I'm telling you, this is wonderful. I've seen people sharing testimony. Okay, so this is real, totally real. So the higher the rate of people you refer, the higher your amount. And let me tell you this: when you refer more people to the platform, there's probability of you winning 350,000 naira at the end of the year. And you know this is a bank, and they are held by tight policies, so they cannot lie. Literally, they cannot lie. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the way you can make money with Alat, with Wema Bank. Just get your code, share with your friend and family, show them how to do the platform as I've watched it in this video now. Show them how they can also do it, and they'll become happy because they've already gotten an account number, and you also become happy because you're already making money. And the other way you can actually do this is to go to, let's say you just go to nairaworkers.com. I used to show everybody this platform. So just go to nairaworkers.com, create a job. And just like recently, I went to Nairaworker and I saw somebody just do something very similar, but the person does not do it perfectly. I'm not sure the person is going to make much money with that. But I'm going to show you how you can do it perfectly. I may not necessarily create the job, but I'll give you an idea of what you are going to do. So I'm going to show you the job that the person created. Let me just log in into my own account and show you how this is being done. So let me just log in into my Nairaworker account. Okay, if you are looking forward to how you can make money with Nairaworker, I have a video below where I explain how you can make money with Nairaworker and Picoworkers. So just go there, you can watch that video, and you see yourself making cool cash with this platform. Let's say, for example, you do not have any money to be able to quote any job. You can actually use that video, watch that video, do some job here, get some money, and do it. But actually, if you can spare up to like 2,000 naira or thereabout to make more money, it's not something too bad. So let me go to available job and show you somebody that actually using this platform to be able to do what I'm showing you. So if you don't want a family and friend to get involved or anything whatsoever, but I advise you that you should get a family and friend involved, because that is one of the easiest things. I'm going to just go through and see somebody that's using this. So this one is Gold Diamond. I don't know what that is all about. Okay, so let me just go back. Okay, There's so many jobs on Nairaworkers here. So I'm going to show you. I actually want to look for that. I saw it yesterday or day about. So with this platform, you can do so many things. Okay, look at this now. Alat by Wema. So this somebody is actually using this account, using this platform to refer people to actually get it done. So you see, you tell them that you go to this platform, that you sign up, use the referral code. So you put on referral code. Can just come and copy everything that this person has said and just do it. It's the same thing. So just put your password, just copy everything like this, select your clinic on your security question. Okay, I forgot to say that. Usually ask to select your security question. In the place you put your alert, select your security question. That is for level of security so that your account can be safe. All right, then you put your answer and you click I am done. Then you make sure that you put referral code. Of course, put my referral code in the one you are creating now so that you can get started. So you grab. All right, so then now what tell them to do is that if you what is this? Please make sure you use my referral code and follow all the steps. If not, you won't be get paid. Just copy everything. You will receive a bonus of 500 naira and you can start using although this is a lie, not bonus of 500 naira. Okay, just say you receive a bonus of 200 naira or 250. Just put 250 when you start using Wema Bank for transaction. And if you like, and tell them that before you receive the bonus of 250, you have to you can go ahead and fund your wallet, your account with just 500 naira, and this 500 naira you can withdraw it back immediately. Put that also so that people can be prompt to do that, because if they don't fund our account of 500 naira, you not make money. So it's simple like that. So just tell them that, then you just come here and let them send the proof of their signature, of their proof of what they have done. All right, so this job goes for, let me see this job. This job goes for 60 naira, and the person has gotten 47 done. This person is making money. So literally the person is making, okay, let's say 50 is 25,000 naira. So he's making, this person has made roughly 20,000 naira using this platform, and it's just for one single job 60 naira. So you can also do this job for one single job, put 60 naira. People will come, just copy this thing. To be able to create job, you can just come to this icon here and click on create post job. So when you click on post job, just copy what that person has done and put your own. That let the person fund their wallet with 500 naira, because when they fund the 500 naira, they will get 50 airtime back and they can withdraw the 500 naira if they want to. Put that also. So you just come here and choose the option. It's not sign up. Is it sign up? Okay, simple sign up. Okay, what you want them to do is to download. Okay, so download and register. Just come down here and look for the one that they put. Okay, mobile platform. So just come here, download and register. So just come to download and register, and so this is what I'm going to do. Download and register. Just put the amount you want them to do. Like for example, if the amount you want them to do is like, let's say like 17 naira or 16 naira, just put it here, 17 naira or 16 naira. Then the total number of workers, let's say you want to have 50 people to do it. So if you do that, let's calculate the amount you're going to spend. You're going to spend 3,845 naira. But if you reduce the amount, let's say you reduce this amount to like 16 naira, and let's calculate the amount you're going to spend 3,310 naira. And with this one, you're going to make about, I think it's 30,000 naira you're going to make back. So if you have extra money to spare, you can use this platform, just copy what that person has done and do it here. But if you don't want to go to do all this stress, it's very simple. So you grab, just tell your family and friends, let them just do it, and you're good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you're yet to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you. What do you look forward to watch in the next video? Tell me, which video do you look forward to watch? So if you put the name of your question or the video you look forward for me to create next, put it in the comment section. Let me hear from you. What do you want me to create again? Which video do you want me to create? Which platform do you want me to explain? Comment below and I'll go through your comment and I'll be glad to do that. So ladies and gentlemen, this comes to the end of today's video. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value again, like this video, share with your friends and family. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I am Danny Adeoboye from Money Biz. I love you so much.